This is my first time, so I'm also ignorant for some things. Hindi naman tayo lahat alam natin. At hindi marmalade. Pakita ko sa inyo yung prutas. Meron kami dito sa bahay. Binigay ng... Ito yung loob niya. Alam niyo yung lasa nito. Ito yung marmalada. So, yan. Ito siya. So, tingnan natin kung anong sa loob. Sabay-sabay natin tingnan kasi pareho to. Hindi ko pa rin po nakita to. Sorry. Sa personal. So, let's see what's inside. So, yeah. So, that's marmalade for you. Ignorante. Napatawa naman ako. So guys, sa grocery tayo. So, ayan. Bili tayo ng avocado. Sobrang dami. This one, this one, this one. Hindi ko lang isasahin kasi magla-lunch na kami. Ice cream. Ice cream. Sugar. Gyoza. Ay, kakain ko ng gyoza. So, lagay mo natin itong ice cream para masigurado. Ito, ang sarap ng chocolate ito from Germany. So, nuggets and Beatrice. Nagmamadali ako kasi magla-lunch na nga. Hindi pa kami na late na kami umalis dito. So, yan. So then, ang second natin is yung mga yan. Bumili kami ng ready to made na ready to eat. You don't need to heat up this one, no? This is already ready to eat salad. So, I need to heat up this one. Rice. Tsaka ito. Pumili ako ng shaw-shaw. That's your lunch together with the bread.
Yes. With the sandwich.
Where's the sandwich? Ah, okay. Ayan. Tapos we bought salad. Sandwich. Kasi ito yung lunch ni Pedro eh. Yung salad at saka sandwich. Sa amin ni Bea, gyoza. At saka yung fried rice. Nabili ng ready to make. Hindi tayo ng tinapay para mamayang gabi. And oranges. Kiwi, hindi ko lalagay ito sa loob because still not totally ripe. So yun, ito lang muna sa labas. Kailan kaya mamunga yung lemon ko para hindi na ako bili ng bili. Dami kong binibili ng lemon every month. Kasi madami akong pinagagamitan nito eh. Yeah, so ito yung fruit natin. Ouch! Lagay dun sa table. Pasta, sugar. Ito yung binagamit kong brown sugar. Dita. Nanda yung bread. Corn sugar. For baking to. Ng mga coffee ng asawa ko. Coffee ko. Ito. Wala yung binibili niya every month. Dalawa pa lang binili ng asawa ko to. Ang snacks niya. Even though it's C, no? Choco banana. Say this is for fitness. This and that. Pero C. Hindi. So, bumili ako ng ganito para Beatrice. Para sa sports niya. Yan. This is for 7 to 8 years old. Kasi, sigurado may sports yun. This coming para mayroon na siya kaagad magamit. Cereal ni Beatrice. Ang kalat dito. At saka ito. This is flour for cake. And this is ordinary. Ordinary flour. Ano ba ito? Pumili kami ng medyas. Yung Skechers na medyas. So, mga pang school. Pilot. So, daming ito. Chili con carne. So, para to sa gagawa ko ng wrap. Yan, the next coming days, gagawa ko ng wrap. Tapos, lagyan natin ng chili con carne. So, olives ni Beatrice kasi kitchen tissue natin. Gumagamit talaga kami nito. Kaya. So, ayan. That's what we bought for today. So, we spend again today. So, ganyan. Parang gusto ko na lang pumikit sa gastusin. Grabe yung mahal ng mga bilihin, no? Kailangan na talaga mag-diet para yung budget ba. Bawas-bawasan. So, ganyan. Ganyan yung mga dito. Ito, masarap to. Yogurt strawberry. Ang sarap nito. Mura lang. €1.49. Mura lang siya. Sarap. Parang lasang Meiji. Yung Meiji ba? Na chocolate tapos may strawberry on top. Ganyan yung lasa. Sarap. So, ayan. Ito avocado. Yan. Dito yung M&M. So, Diyos ko, God. Hanggang isang piraso lang ako kumain ng chocolate eh. So, ganyan. Kasi sumasakit ang lamunan ko. Mana, mga basura na to. Ay, ay, ay. Ito yung asparagus. Nalalaman mo yung pag fresh. Pag ito sa dulo, eh, puti ano pa. Kasi minsan, yung asparagus, pag dito na dry na siya, makikita mo yun. Hindi na siya fresh. Mamahalin yung asparagus eh. Where is from? From Peru. Peru. So, kami ni Bea, kain na kami ng chow. Chow nito. Chow ang tawag nila dito. Tapos, ayun. Ganito yung ano nila, avocado dito. Hindi makinis yung avocado nila dito. Ang mahal ang avocado dito eh. Sa Pilipinas, pinupulot lang to. Diba? Nahinog na, kakainin ko to mamaya. So, ito. Nag-order na pala sila ng books ni Bea. Yung lolo niya. Kunin na lang yon. Lolo yan yung magbabayad ng books ni Beatrice. Saan lagay niya sa extra, no? Para matanggal. Ah, okay. So, ganyan. Ganyan yung grocery natin ngayon. Spend naman tayo yung bonggang-bongga. Diyos ko, God. Buhay natin, ganyan na lang palagi. Tuloy natin yung ating vlog. Tapos na kami kumain. Alam niyo ba itong marmalada? Marmalade. Yung marmalade mismo na fruit na marmalada. Ito. Ayan. Ayan, marmalade. Pakita ko sa inyo yung prutas. Meron kami dito sa bahay. Binigay ng... Ito yung loob niya. Alam niyo yung lasa nito, ng marmalada nila. Alam niyo yung sampalok, yung bunga niya, na nilagyan natin ng sugar. Yun, yung candy. Ito po yung lasa nito. Kahit yung itsura kaparehas, di ba? Ganito siya, medyo maasim siya. Pero, yeah, basta lagyan ng sugar, yung sampalok, ganito yung lasa. So, merong marmalade dito sa bahay. Hinaantay ko na mahinog. Mukhang hindi mahihinog. So, bubuksan ko. May isa na kasi dito na actually, ito yung marmalada. So, yan. Ito siya. So, tingnan natin kung anong sa loob. Sabay-sabay natin tingnan kasi pareho to. Hindi ko pa rin po nakita to sa personal. Kahit na yung in-laws ko ay may tanim po nito. Daming ganito sa wild. Pag naglakad-lakad ka dyan sa tabi ng daan, madami dyan. Meron kasi yung parang wild na marmalade. Meron ding tinatanim talaga. I don't know what's the difference. So, yeah. Tingnan natin. Meron dito nalanta na. Sa kakaantay ko kasi na I think, baka mag-ano ba siya? Ma-soft. Bukang na soft nga. Pero lanta na. So, tingnan natin pare-pareho yung sa loob nito. So, let's see what's inside. Kasi mukhang hindi na to maano eh. Yan. Ganito yung loob niya. Para pala siyang pears, no? Parang bayabas. Matigas talaga yung fruit, ha? Matalim yung ano ko, yung kutsilyo ko. Matigas lang talaga yung fruit. So, try natin to tanggalin yung parang ano siya. Parang bayabas. I don't want to, exaggerate kasi late na eh. Magsi 7 na po kasi. 7 PM. Baka sumakit yung tiyan ko. So guys, tingnan natin. Tinanggal ko yung ito. Since hindi naman po siya talaga na Togi so soft. So I will try and I will tell you what's the taste of this. Pero walang ano na siya, dry. Upload. Purting upload ah. Siguro, I don't know. Maybe this is not a good one. But upload. Grabe ka upload. Tiga. I don't know. Itong lanta nga. Try natin to. Hindi talaga siya soft, no? Ganito dun, oh. Pero ito yata is not really good because parang rotten na yung ano niya. Pero ano siya, mukhang, yung texture niya is like bayabas. Tapos ganun. Try natin. Ito is another, the other one, ha. Same. Upload. So, yeah. So, that's marmalade for you. I will try next time. I will try to buy sa store. Kasi ito, I'm not sure kung sa puno to ng in-laws ko or ano. Inantay ko talaga siya mag-soft. Kasi gusto kong kumain. Gusto kong matry. Ito, nasarap siya. Yan ito pinapalaman sa tinapay. Nilalagay namin ito sa tinapay. Yung marmalade. Binili ito kasi sinabi ng asawa ko sa mama niya na I haven't tried yet marmalade. So yun, sabi niya, sige, kuha ka para sa asawa mo ngayon. Alam mo naman yun. Para sa, pag sa akin. So ganyan, upload. I will ask my husband. The marmalade is bitter. So bitter. So how is it?
You make it actually with sugar.
You eat it with sugar?
You actually boil it.
I-
No marmalade. You boil it with sugar.
The fruit itself?
You remove the heart, you remove the skin, and you cut it in pieces, mix it with sugar.
Really? So you're not eating raw?
No.
Really?
Yes.
So, but this one, so every fruit that is displayed in the store is not to eat raw, is to cook.
In what store?
In a fruit stand there in the store.
You can eat raw.
Huh?
The ananas, pineapple, you can eat raw too.
Yeah, but this one you can't.
No.
Ignorante.
You need to boil it, cook it with sugar, and then you make the marmalade.
Oh, boil it, cook it, and put sugar. Kasi it's really bitter. Maybe this is good for the liver. Because it's so bitter. As in, bitter talaga. Grabe. Ignorante.
Like a bitter.
Napatawa naman ako. Ignorance excuses naman. At least I tried it here. No? Hindi ako mapahiya.
Bitter gourd. You Portuguese bitter gourd.
This is bitter gourd. Ang pait. The bitter gourd is at least I can eat it raw. This one, it's really, really hard. It's really, really hard. This is as hard as the guava. The hard guava, ha? This is as hard as the guava. At ang pait. At may asim. So, so that's how it is made. So, okay. At least I know na.
Nothing to say. Really? Try it like that.
Yes, I do. I said this is my first time. I said that's why I want to try it. I want to try it. Oh, they know it. I say this is my first time. I want to try it. I open it, and it's not like that. Okay, para sabay-sabay tayo. Ignorante eh. Sige lang.
Okay, at least you know how it tastes raw.
Yeah. So much better. I only buy one. Buy the marmalade. Marmalade, okay. At least I tried. So you think this is the same taste like the wild marmalade there outside?
There are two different trees that look almost exactly the same. We've also got yellow fruit. One, it's very good.
It's green. What like Lola has?
Yeah, that's what Lola does.
This is from Lola?
Yes.
But
But there's another one that looks like the same, that you cannot eat. It's so bitter, you cannot eat it.
Ah, so bitter. So this is bitter too. So at least.
It is, but not so bitter like the other one.
Ah, really? So the other one is bitterer.
You cannot.
So other one is much bitter and you cannot bite it. So at least this one I can still bite it, but it's really bitter. But have you tried this one, raw? Huh? Have you? Ah, okay.
When you have to cook it. If me have, no, I never
Bite.
bite. Yes, I had the honor for my uncle to try.
No, I want you to try this time. So if you will remember. No. It's not bitter like what you think. I only want you to taste it. Don't eat. Only just bite it, and I want to know your reaction here.
Let's see, maybe I like it. Yeah.
Bitter.
So
Let's put it out because it might not. Spit it out, I say. You might not digest it. Yeah. See? At least pareho kami.
That's not the difference between the fruits. From the fruit itself looks the same. I think the only difference is on the leaves.
That's what I'm saying.
Other one is more, double.
So ganyan, at least we are all the same. We experience. Hindi nyo lang natikman, for at least next time, don't taste it, ha? You can taste so para malaman nyo din. Sobrang ano niya, you cannot, for me, you cannot digest it because it's like guava, as hard as guava, harder actually than the guava.
That's right. Not this fruit. The other fruit is more bitter. All times was used for mixed stamps.
Mixed stamps. Pero masarap siya. Yung pagka-bitter niya, parang, I don't know, stay in the mouth.
It's very filthy.
Yeah, filthy. Bitter with filthy taste. So, ganyan. So, ganyan yung taste ng marmalade. Lola will laugh at me when I will tell her this one. I tried to eat it. At least. Kasi galing pa to sa puno nila. I'm really trying to wait this to get ripe because I thought that I can eat it raw. So, hindi pala.
Next year. It doesn't get rotten.
It's already rotten. So, ganyan. Ganyan yung marmalade sa loob. This is marmalade inside. So, this is how do you call that? Without chemicals. Kaya yung mga fruits na without chemicals.
Here in this house, coming from that farm.
Yes, because we're not using chemicals sa house. Hindi kami nagsispray. So, yung mga may butlig-butlig na mga fruits, it means it's from the farm. Hindi po yan nilalagyan ng poison para magkaka.
That fruit is like the people here, so.
Bitter. Madaming bitter sa world. Kagaya ng marmalade. Buti na.
If you cook it properly with sugar, it tastes good actually. For me. Some other people don't like it.
So okay, next time, because this one is not really a good one because it has a bit of insects. You can see the insects over here. So ganyan. Si Beatrice nakapakaingay sa labas, naglalaro, sumasigaw dyan. But this one, I like this one. I like this so it fits my tummy. And we have the same taste in Philippines, my love, of this one. There is a fruit that the same taste. I want you to try it. It's a bit sour, more sour than this one. But it tastes exactly the same when it is being made a candy. Ganyan siya. So, pareho siya. So, imagine nyo na yung marmalade, ang lasa niya po ay yung sampalok. Bunga ng sampalok na nilagyan ng sugar. So, anyway, no matter what, ganyan. Yes, of course. No, there's no harm in trying. So, yeah. Ganyan lang. That's the end of our marmalade story. Marmalade story na naging ignorante. See? Sa buhay po, hindi po tayo perfecto. Everyone has still a lot of things to learn. Because we have here in our area, lalo na doon sa parents niya, we have a lot of yung mga ginagawa na nilalagay sa mga foods, sobrang dami dito. Nilalagay sa yung mga spices, no? We have a lot there. Punta ka lang doon sa bundok. You can go there, mountain, and tingnan naman yung isa. You can pick up a lot. Yung pang tea, dami nga. madami ka talaga makukuha doon. Yung mga bulaklak, pag smell mo, it just taste like this kasi nila. Yun nga, yun. Dito sa amin, marami talagang available pa. Kasi, yun nga, mga forest dito ay hindi pa naman siya, protected pa naman yung mga forest dito. At maraming mga wild animals dyan. Dito nakakita ako ng ano ha.
If you want to pick up berries here, don't wait for the afternoon when the sun's already going down. There are normally the wild boars waiting there inside.
Yes, it's dangerous kasi may mga wild boars. So yun, meron ka dyan makikita sa likod. Last time, yung likod ng sa in-laws ko, may pihen na gumagala dyan. Oo. Tapos meron din sa, nakakita ko ng fox doon. Tapos dito mga rabbits, maraming rabbits dito. At saka yung squirrel. Yun, madami. At saka, ano pa, yung papa with a lot of, like a thorn. How do you call that? No. I'm talking about the animal. Hedgehog. Marami yan dito. Minsan nakikita mo yan sa daan, nadadaanan lang na sagasaan. Yung gano'n. Tapos dito sa bahay namin, may inano kami na ahas. Ahas. Oo. May tinigok kami na ahas dito kasi nandun sa may pader namin. So, baka si Beatrice ba natakot. Doon, natulog sa gilid. Pumasok yan dito dati sa bahay doon sa may working area namin. Tapos, sinayaan lang namin. Tapos yun, nasanay siguro dito na hindi namin inaano. So, malabas-pasok. So, ganyan. Marami ditong mga wild animals, especially wild boar. Sa gabi po, pag winter, be careful kayo sa mga area dito kasi may mga sign yan dyan na nilalagay. This is a hunting area. May mga hunting area na schedule din sila dito. So, yeah. Ganyan. Tapos dito ang pigeon is like a pest. Ang daming pigeon dito. Sobrang daming pigeon dito. Hindi yan, people are eating the pigeon here. The people eat the pigeon here. So the people are not eating the pigeon because they eat all the trash that they can see. So, last time they don't eat the pigeon. Daming ang pigeon dito. Tapos, yung maya sa atin, yung brown, sobrang dami niyan dito. Grabe. Kasi maano nga dito yung field, maraming mga fruits and vegetables. At saka mga fruits, kasi fruit area yung area namin dito. Agriculture nandito na land sa front ng in-laws ko nung naglaro kami ng badminton doon. Ano po yun? Apple po yun doon. Mga apple plantation at saka plum doon sa harap namin. Walang nagnanako yan dyan. Is there someone stealing the apple there? Lolo? At the front of Lola? Okay. Really? They are stealing there? Okay. I don't know. Because I haven't seen anyone. So, yeah, but I'm not sure. I don't know. So, yeah, meron din daw nagnanakaw. I don't know. How can you prove it? You don't see anyone there. So, anyway, so mga ganyan. Madami yan dito. Tapos mga berries. Yung, what is the red berries? Red berry? Yung raspberry ba yon? There's also, you can pick up it in the mountain there. When you come to Lolo. And basta mga pang-tea, sobrang dami yan dyan. So we don't need, kasi may tanim naman yung in-law ko nung they have their own rosemary din. So, may have their own laurel. So, pag kailangan namin, nanghihingi lang kami doon. So, we don't need na naman pumunta pa sa mountain para kumuha. So, ganyan. Tapos, yun yung mga dito. Abundant pa rin sila when it comes to mga ganyan. This is my first time. So I'm also ignorant for some things. Hindi naman tayo lahat alam natin. At hindi naman to normal sa atin din. And I'm not afraid of trying new things, you know. I want to know. I don't want to be ignorant forever for such certain things. Kung nakikita ko lang naman, you should know, right? You should ask. And you should try. Why not? Coconut. Beatrice, she's playing. My baby.
Look what car I have.
What car ya? Sabi she's sweating a lot. Don't tingnan mo.
Look at this.
Yeah? You're sweating a lot,
This is a honey gun. Mama, I made a lot of points.
You made a lot of points. Oh, you're racing? Are you racing?
No.
Yeah?
No, I made skill points.
That's good. Okay.
Mama, look at the
Careful
jump.
with your hand. Careful with your hand, ha?
Mama, this is a Honda.
Careful.
This is a Honda.
Mm-mm.
It says at the back. You can see it. It says Honda.
Mm-mm.
Mama, I'm going to the
Okay
stadium.
na? Yeah.
Mama, look how big the stadium is.
Yeah, it's very
This
good.
is a wedge.
Ayusin ko na yung aking marmalade challenge today. Marmalade challenge. Diyos mio. Na marmalade challenge patuloy tayo. So, yeah. Ganyan lang. Ang lasa ng marmalade na akala ko ay matamis na bayabas. Yun pala ay Diyos ko God. So, ganyan. That's all for today. Nag-shopping lang tayo. That's ordinary life here. And please support my channel, subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell para ma-update tayo sa ating buhay-buhay. Ginawa pa kayong chismosa, no?